Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. It's not the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, December the 4th, 2023. I've told you earlier there are no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Yes, in the weekend edition of Saturday, December the 2nd, 2023, we have here the puzzle page. The puzzle page, we have two puzzles left. The 3 stars, or actually it's a 2 stars puzzle, and the binary. And after this, the Sunday additional. There are 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. Alright, let me first solve this one. The 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number, I believe, number 7559. Yeah, 7559. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 26 printed digits. Yeah, 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the second column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have 5 and 7 in this big square, so no 5 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 5 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 7. Alright, and now. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those boxes, alright. Okay, and now, we have 4 there. Alright. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. 2. 8 and a 9, 2, 8, 9. Interesting. Alright. And now, I need a 6 here. I need 3 here. Interesting. 4. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Yeah. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 here. And need a 5 there. Well. 8, 9. Need a 5 here. 5 there. Come on. 2, 7, 4. 6. 6 there. Thinking. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So that means the 3 cannot be here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1. Alright. 2, 8, and a 9. 2, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 and the 3 are left. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Another pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. No. We have a 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 no. 1. 3, 6, 1, 9, and a 2. Well, in the second row, we need a 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and the 9, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number is the 1. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Yeah, now 1. Need a 8. Need a 3 there. Well, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. And look, we have 4 and 5 in this big square. So no 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. For number 6. 6. 6. 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 3, 3. Need a 1. Need an 8 here. Then need a 5 here. 1 box left in the third row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 3, 3. Need a 2 here. Let me think. Need a 2 here. Alright. 8, 9, 1, 3. Well. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 9 should be there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and a 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this column, so no 9 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. And look, here we have a pair now, 1 and 8. So the other 2 should be the 2 and the 3 here. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Then 3. Come on. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Now. 8, 8. Oh, I can count. And all the the 9s. I cannot count the 9s. Not completed. 1. Well. Come on. There should be the 2 here. We have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above from that row. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the middle column. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. The 1 and the 6 are missing, 1 and the 6. Well. 1, 6, and the 3. 3 and the 6. 1 and the 8. Come on. 9 and the 3. 8. 4, 5. Can I count the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Well, here neither one. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. 8 and 9, we have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and 3, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the middle column for the number 1. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow! Well. Should be at 2 stars, not at 3 stars. 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.